Mercado Vial TV, un mundo de máquinas.
This is Scott Nicholas coming to you live from the World of Concrete show in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're here to look today at the Xtreme Manufacturing XR4030 telehandler. This telehandler is capable of 40,000 pounds maximum capacity and has a lift height of 30 feet at the maximum. This machine has been very successful in a number of different sectors, particularly mining, as well as heavy civil construction and road building. We've had tremendous success. In the mining sector itself, this lends itself to several attachments, some of which can change massive cylinders on the big mining shovels, as well as tires on the haul trucks, so on and so forth. There's a number of different tools we can put on the end of this boom to accommodate a number of different functions at the mines. A couple of features of this machine that set it apart: it's the only 40,000 pound capacity machine made in the USA. A couple of the main features that we have for safety is visibility. When you sit in this machine, you can see 360 degrees around you. Safety is always the number one concern, but particularly in mining when you have so many big equipment and people going around. As well as, and then the last thing is durability. We build these things to last an incredible long time. We want to get 20 years out of these by refreshing up engines, transmissions. We hope to get at least 20 hours or 20 years out of these things. The steering and the controls on this are very, very simple. If you step right in here, you can see with the controls of this machine, you have one hand on the controller, the other hand goes on the steering wheel, and then if you need to sway the machine left or right, you don't have to take your hand off, you just rotate your wrist back and forth. So very, very intuitive controls, very, very simple. This particular machine is set up for maximum operator comfort. It has a heated and air-conditioned cab. Keep the operator warm or cooled. Simple and rugged is what we like. If we walk around the back of the machine, tires are foam filled for a long life. At the mine, you don't have to worry about punctures, so you never have a flat tire. You get around to the back of the machine here, you can see the visibility. This whole area is open so that the operator can see directly behind him. So if I'm standing right here, the operator can see me right through this big opening. You can also see how massive this is. These are all 2-inch plates. This is 6 inches thick right here. So this is very, very robust, massive structure designed for that 20-year life. Very simple to get into the engine to do maintenance. The Xtreme 4030 is powered by a Cummins 4.5 liter, 173 horsepower engine. It's a 4-cylinder engine, runs in all parts of the world without the need for DEF. Power shift transmission, 3 speeds forward, 3 speeds reverse, handles almost any terrain that you come across, whether it's coming out of a mine or climbing rough terrain. One of the biggest features we have, if you zoom up to the boom, you can see that the boom does not go out on wear pads. There's actually rollers, steel rollers with needle bearings, so that smooth glides in and out with no resistance. Typically on this 4030 machine, we will put a 96-inch wide carriage with fork positioning so that you can slide the forks back and forth from the operator's compartment. You don't have to get out of the cab to do it.